iMantshi umuhlolo khabisi ibalule ukuthi buntekenteke ubufakazi bombuso okunindeka kubo uNastasia Jensen iveze nokuthi kungenzeka kuphazamise uphenyo nofakazi bombuso okunikwa ibheyili kaSinohe Motswara, uthi buho diphulo, uButi Masukela kanye noTieho Makhotsa. uJensen ongumsolwa wesishiyagalombili bese dedelwa ngebheyili ezinkulungwane eziyishumi zamarandi. Unina kaKatleho Bereng ukuthakasele kwenqatshelwa ibheyili kwalabasolwa abane. Isidumbu sikaBereng satholakala sinqonqiswe ngomlilo esitokisini okwabe kuvalelwe kuso uthi uBester sasetshenziswa ukufeza itulo likaBester lokweqetshele.
I say thank you God. Thank you my Lord. Thank you Katleho. Thank you my father. Thank you my grandmother. Thank you my ancestors.
Ummeli kaJensen uthi kwasekuqaleni nje bekusobala ukuthi umbuso awunabo ubufakazi obubambekayo ukugojela uJensen. Kanti ke uNastasia Jensen utshele izindaba zeSABC ukuthi washaqeka ngesikhathi eboshwa. Phezu kwalokhu ukholwa ukuthi ubhecwa ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
I actually do believe that I've been framed because especially with the people that I've worked with, they know my character. They know I'm a very strict person when it comes to my work. I would never do something without an instruction of a supervisor or instruction from a manager or director. And they also know when it comes to my work, I'm very strict.
iNPA isemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We welcome the judgment in respect of accused number 1 up until applicant number 1 up until applicant number 4, because from the start of the bail application, we were convinced that it would not be in the best interest of justice for the accused to be released on bail.
Bonke abasolwa khona kubo nothi uBester bazobuyela enkantolo zengamashumi Nhlangulana, kanti uDokotela uNandipha Magudumana uzovela enkantolo ePhakeme eFree State ngolwesine uma sekuyolalelwa isicelo sakhe sokuba kuhoxiswa amacala abekwe wona.